Okay, Yolani, why don't you go next? What's your favorite bake?
I like baking chocolate cake and I like eating it too.
Baking club is a way for everyone to come together. It's been really helpful during distance learning to communicate with other people, especially people that have the same interests.
Okay, so I want to remind you, please, if you can, drop off your bakes today. Please put up photos of any bakes you do over the break. That would be awesome.
My name is Jennifer Swartz, and I am the coordinator of the Baked with Care Baking Club. Students were extremely receptive, that they really wanted to not just talk about the bakes that they were doing and bond over that, but actually do something that felt productive.
The food is going to Lancet House, which is an organization that helps people that may not have food at all times.
Each week we identify something that does not need to be refrigerated, and if students are inclined, they can bake them on their own, and then they bring them to Stoller once a week, and then I take them down and drop them off.